In this video, I'm going to explain you about what is Ansible and what is the measure why Ansible is very powerful within the DevOps. Okay. Basically, Ansible is an IT framework that will automate your application in a simple and flexible manner. That is why Ansible is very powerful. Let us see what is there in the official website of the Ansible. Okay. Let's go to the Ansible docs.ansible.com. When you visit this website, you will find everything about Ansible. Well, Ansible community document tells us Ansible offers open source automation that is simple, flexible, and powerful. Okay, whatever the application you want to run within the server, so within instead of executing the commands within the server, you can use Ansible as your tool to run your application in very powerful and flexible manner. Okay, this is about simple note of Ansible. Now let us take an example of how Ansible works. Okay, for that you need VM VirtualBox and you need OS boxes. Okay, I will show you how. You need to go VM VirtualBox to download the VirtualBox. So this is the website you can download the VirtualBox. So you have to download the VirtualBox with whatever operating system you are using for. If you are using Mac OS, you can download from for the Mac, or if you are using Windows, you can download it from Windows. So this is how you can download the VirtualBox. I already downloaded the VirtualBox software in my PC, so I will show you that. So this is the VirtualBox management tool where you can run your virtual machines like Windows operating system, CentOS operating system, Ubuntu, Fedora, and whatever operating system you want. Okay, this is very useful tool where you can find it helpful with your practice and everything. Instead of going and purchasing AWS, Azure Cloud, Cloud, and other type of cloud services, those are very costly. So they are cost effective. So to reduce the cost, to overcome that, you can use this virtual box. So now I'm going to install a virtual machine here. The operating system CentOS 7.8. Okay, so where you can download the CentOS operating system is, go to the osboxes.org. Here you will find multiple operating systems, virtual operating systems, which helps you to run inside the virtual box. Okay, now I will go to VirtualBox images. So you can find out a number of options to have your virtual machine. So we have Android and multiple virtual options here. So I will choose CentOS because Ansible is it is developed by Red Hat. So it is very it will be supporting the CentOS operating system. So maximum DevOps users, whatever DevOps students are there, they will use CentOS as a operating system to run their tools. Okay, that is very useful for them and important as well. So I will download the CentOS version 7.9, okay, let's go to 7.1.7 dash 7 hyphen 1810. Okay, this is the operating system. I already downloaded it, but I am showing you how to download this. Okay, you can select the virtual box. If you don't have VirtualBox, you can also use virtual machine VMware. I'm using both things, but VirtualBox is I'm currently using VirtualBox as a practice scenario. Okay, so I downloaded it. Now let's go to VirtualBox. and create a new virtual machine. Call as Ansible master. Okay, and create a destination for it. So my destination I already created it here, Ansible master. So I will select the destination folder where the OS will be installing there. And next, I'll choose the type. It's a Linux command based. So, and I don't have CentOS options, so I will choose other Linux 64-bit. So these are the options I have just selected it. Click on next. Now you have to select the basic memory, that is RAM. I'll select 2 GB of RAM, and I'll select two CPUs. So like what you do, like what you do with your PC and laptop, how you choose the memory and processor. Okay, same like that. So these are the basic settings I have done. Now you need to choose your virtual hard disk file. So click on use existing virtual hard disk file. You already have downloaded the image from it. So you need to add the image. So I have already downloaded the images. Let me show you. One second. You need to select the image file. Click on here. Click on add. And select your image file, which you downloaded from VirtualBox.org. Click on open. Choose. Click on next. So just cross check whatever settings you have done, whatever options you have chosen, and whatever path you have chosen to install the VirtualBox. Okay. So all good. I will click on finish. So your VirtualBox is ready to your VirtualBox is ready right now. Let us go to settings. So what you need to do, like you need to add the internet access to this, so you can download the commands from cloud and other third-party websites. Okay, so for that you need to go to the settings, right click on it and go to the settings and choose here network. Okay, here you will choose you have the network options here, so I will choose a bridge adapter. Okay, so this will give me the internet access. So you can choose both of them. I'm using both cable and the wireless system, so it will show me the both. So what I will do is I will select Intel wireless and click on OK, and I'll start. Okay, the console is running now. This is the console. The operating system is running. So it will take some time to install all the configurations for CentOS 7. So I will pause the video. After installation, I will get back to you. Operating system installed successfully. Now you need to log in inside the OS. You have to log in for that. You need to get something issue with the operating system.